how can you send a document from your iPhone to a computer? Let me talk about it and guide you through it. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, you can consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. So it depends on what computer we're talking about, because if you have the Apple like MacBook or iMac, whatever, as long as it's from Apple, you can always just go to your the documents within the Files app of your iPhone, hold down on the thing, click on share, and of course click on the airdrop, and you'll be able to share it over the air to your computer. But of course it only works if you have the Apple computer, right? So this is the easiest way to do it. But for like different purposes, or different like platforms, I usually recommend people to use a cloud storage, at least like a temporary way to store it there. I personally like to use the Google Drive, which I of course have installed on my device, so I can as well just click on my document, tap on share, and just upload it to the Google Drive, right? So this is what the user interface looks like, and you get to decide which account you want to upload it to and which folder for better organization. But you also have the sharing tools, so you can see that you can add someone's Gmail address and share it with them, or just upload it generally to your Google Drive, and then go to the app and manage the sharing right there. So you can notice we have like a PDF or a document right there. I can click on the three dots, click on manage access, and literally decide that it's not going to be restricted, and then anyone with a link can just view it, right? And then I copy the link and I can share it over email or a text message, or however I want to just share it over to the computer of any platform or literally anyone else. So I personally find that to be the most useful and easiest method of sharing documents from one device to another. Let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.